how far north can a cruise take you in the middle of winter, and what's it really like when you get there? Today we're showing you Tromsø, Norway, known as the gateway to the Arctic. Let's take a look at the map so you could just see how far north it is. Pretty incredible, huh? We were excited to experience this unique destination in winter on a Viking cruise in search of the Northern Lights.
Welcome to Next Act Cruising. I'm Bob.
And I'm Sarah.
And on our channel, we share with you our cruising adventures, and we also give you practical tips to help you for when you take your next cruise. And today we are exploring our time in Tromsø, Norway.
Our cruise visited Tromsø in February, and it felt like a winter postcard. The city was covered in fresh white snow and looked absolutely beautiful. We were in port 2 days, and one of the best things about Tromsø is how easy it is to explore. The downtown area is just a short walk from the pier, so getting around on your own was very manageable.
During our time here, we did 3 activities, 2 cruise excursions, and 1 stop on our own. Let's start with our first excursion. It was a nighttime visit to a Husky camp on an island, and it was located about an hour out of the city.
On the way, we were blessed with a fantastic guide, a university student studying the Northern Lights, who shared fascinating insights into the science behind them. This really added to our overall experience.
Once we arrived at the Husky camp, the highlight was definitely getting to meet the dogs. We had plenty of time to interact with them, and they were very friendly, and you could tell they really loved the attention.
Because we were outside the city in the dark night sky, we were also looking for the Northern Lights. Like many Northern Lights trips, Mother Nature has the final say. It was cloudy, so we didn't get a glimpse of the Northern Lights, but we could see Jupiter shining brightly in the sky.
Even though we didn't see the Northern Lights, there was still plenty to enjoy. We were outside in nature, and you could warm up by a fire outside or go inside the Lavu tent to have a snack and a warm drink. While we were inside the Lavu tent, one of the dog trainers shared with us how it was working with the dogs, and we found that to be an absolutely fascinating talk.
In terms of mobility, this excursion was designated as moderate. It involved getting on and off the bus and walking on snowy, uneven ground. This was a paid excursion, and for us it was well worth it. We loved being out in nature, meeting the dogs, and learning about Arctic life.
The next morning, we took the included panoramic tour of Tromsø. This was a bus tour that included 2 stops.
Our first stop was at the University Planetarium, where we watched a presentation featuring real Northern Lights footage captured by a local photographer over many years. Seeing those Northern Lights scenes on the overhead dome screen was just magical.
After that, we continued with our guide sharing with us how life is in Tromsø and also what it's like to live in the Arctic.
Our second stop was the Arctic Cathedral, which we could actually see from our ship. We enjoyed taking in the unique architecture of the cathedral and the beautiful artwork and design inside. Outside the cathedral, there was a great vantage point to see across the harbor to the city of Tromsø. You could even see our cruise ship docked at the harbor. This was just perfect for photos.
We then continued on a scenic drive into the countryside, where we saw more of nature's beautiful landscapes. It definitely made us think, should we make a trip back to Norway in the summer to see how things look without the snow covering them?
This excursion was rated as moderate with bus steps, some inclines, and snowy, uneven surfaces. One helpful thing to know is that unlike the United States, the Norwegians don't use salt or ice melters on their roads or surfaces. This is to protect the environment and wildlife. Instead, they use small bits of gravel for some traction. So, there will be very few clear sidewalks if it has been snowing, and most sidewalks will then be snow-covered.
Finally, we explored something on our own. The Troll Museum. We actually spotted it right across the street from where our ship was docked, and it was an easy walk to get to it.
Inside, we learned about Norwegian folklore and the history of trolls. One of the fun highlights was an interactive display that digitally placed troll features onto our faces. It made for some entertaining moments and maybe improved our looks. The crafting of trolls through the museum was also really creative and added to the experience.
Overall, Tromsø was a wonderful port, especially if you enjoyed nature, winter scenery, unique wildlife experiences, and learning more about life in the Arctic.
If you enjoyed this video or are planning a Northern Lights cruise, give us a like. It really helps the channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos in this series and more cruising tips and adventures. And until next time, we say,
Bon voyage!